All right, I have the Bob Ross Chia Pet handmade planter right here. You can see that's Bob Ross, the image of Bob Ross. And if you look at his classic, iconic Afro, it's actually made of chia seeds. Now, this is different from the original Chia Pet. This is the Bob Ross Chia planter, which gives similar same effects, but you have Bob Ross to look at instead of some Chia Pet. Now, this is the handmade planter, the joy of planting or painting that Bob Ross would say. Easy to do, fun to grow. There's nothing wrong with having a tree as a friend. So Bob Ross is going to be my friend. That is a picture of the late, great Bob Ross. We're actually going to bring him back to life with chia seeds on his head. All right, it says, even a little tree will grow up to be a big tree. All it needs is a little water, sunshine, and love. The same as all of us. Quote by Bob Ross. R.I.P. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. The Bob Ross Chia Seed Planter. And so what I have right here is the planter. Here are the chia seeds that I'm going to be using to put on Bob Ross's head to make his afro grow. All right, so there is the chia seeds, and here is the step-to-step instructions right here. Instructions for growing your Chia Pet planter. It's live in color. You can read that later. Comes inside. And inside of the box, you have Bob Ross himself. It's Bob Ross, you see that? And there is a hole in Bob Ross's head. And I'm assuming this is where you add the water in order for Bob Ross's head to grow, hair to grow. So that is the planter right here. It's a clay plotted planter. And then you have the chia seeds, which you paint on top. So this is the Bob Ross Chia Pet planter. Looks pretty great. I look forward to growing Bob Ross's afro. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.